I want to print something great, but choosing the right paper stock is hard.
Here at Vista, we offer a wide range of paper options to make your printed products truly stand out. The matte option is a smooth, shine-free finish. It feels silky on both sides and is offered in standard 14-point paper thickness, with premium 16-point and 18-point options for a touch more weight. This is perfect for business cards, postcards, and flyers. Glossy. The Glossy paper stock option is sleek and shiny. It makes your design pop, showing vibrant colors, which is great for making a bold statement on postcards, brochures, and even on business cards. This comes in standard 14-point with premium 16-point and 18-point options for added impact. Uncoated. This is a natural, subtle texture. This is great for business cards, invitations, and letterheads. This is ideal for handwritten notes. Paper thickness-wise, this comes in 14-point. Pearl. The pearl stock is less prone to glare than glossy, which makes it easier to view from different angles. This is a shimmering stock with a soft glow, which makes it perfect for postcards, wedding invitations, and special announcements. This paper stock is offered in a thicker card at 16-point. We also have unique options, like linen. The linen paper stock is a woven Italian cotton paper with an elegant matte finish. The paper thickness of this product is currently offered in 16-point. Natural textured. The natural textured paper stock is lightly speckled and is a 100% post-consumer recycled paper. This is perfect for eco-conscious projects with the paper thickness currently offered in 16-point. Soft touch. The soft touch paper stock is smooth with a velvety feel. This is ideal for high-end business cards and invitations. The paper thickness of this product is currently offered in 16-point. Kraft. The Kraft paper stock is a light brown paper with a rustic charm. This stock is also 90% post-consumer recycled paper. This is great for business cards and packaging. The paper thickness of this product is currently offered in 17-point. Bamboo and hemp blend. The bamboo and hemp blend are both sustainable and eco-friendly options for the environmentally conscious. While the bamboo stock has a distinct, natural texture with a soft touch feel, the hemp blend stock is cream-colored with a natural look. The paper thickness of this product is currently offered in 17.5-point. Not all paper stocks are available for every product. This means examples, like business cards, can have a wider variety like ultra-thick options, while postcards might offer cotton paper. But the point is, you have the power to choose which paper type works best for you.
How will I know which paper stock to choose? Ask yourself this. What's the purpose of the product that I'm ordering? What kind of message am I trying to tell? What kind of feeling do I want to express? The right paper stock can boost your design and make a lasting impression. Explore your options, choose the perfect paper, and let your creativity shine.